Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up VBA in Excel using an easy method. First, we need to enable the Developer tab, which is your gateway to all things VBA. Go to the File menu, then click on Options. In the Excel Options dialog box, select Customize Ribbon from the left pane. On the right side, under Main tabs, simply check the box for Developer and then click OK. This will add the tab to your Excel ribbon, making it readily accessible for your macro work. Now that the Developer tab is visible, opening the VBA editor is straightforward. You can simply click on the Visual Basic button located on the far left of the Developer tab. An even quicker way is to use the keyboard shortcut. Press the Alt key and the F11 key simultaneously. This action will immediately launch the Visual Basic for Applications editor, which is the dedicated environment where you will write, edit, and debug all your Excel macros. With the VBA editor open, let's write a very simple macro. First, go to the Insert menu and select Module. This creates a new blank module where your code will reside. Inside this module, type sub my first macro and press Enter. The editor will automatically add nsub. Between these two lines, type MSG box Hello World. This command will display a message box containing the text Hello World when the macro runs, giving you a quick win. You've written your first macro, now let's run it. In the VBA editor, you can click the small green play button on the toolbar to execute my first macro. Another way is to close the editor, go back to Excel, click the Macros button on the Developer tab, select my first macro, and click Run. Finally, it's crucial to save your work. Go to File, then Save As, and choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook from the Save As Type dropdown. This ensures your macros are preserved in the XLSM file format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.